are mentioning it is how if any file, if any subject is not related with the budget, you can't speak. Please, you can't speak. You can't speak. Rahul, you.
So I will tell you what. I will.
आप अपना बजट पे ठीक ट्रैक पे थे, अब क्यों ट्रैक से जा रहे बाहर? मतलब you were on right track. You were absolutely on right track.
Speaker sir,
why you are just
Speaker sir, you are ex-Congress party member. So I will do you a special favor today, sir.
No,
I will back down.
ये चार्ज है. No, ये भी कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा. मैं अगर आपको if you don't have any propriety for the chair, if you don't have, sometime your even present member of parliament used to occupy this chair, Selja Didi. Selja is also for
Speaker sir, you know we know you have fondness for you.
Speaker,
you are an ex-member of our party.
Absolutely.
So I will not go very aggressive today.
Why you are mentioning too much?
Well, you are a member of our party, sir. Ex-member.
Ex-member, no. But
and we are fond of you, sir. We like you.
I'm here as a presiding officer.
But we like you, sir.
अगर हमारी बात आप
we know your heart is not there, sir.
अगर आप मेरी
we know your heart is here, sir.
नहीं, मेरी बात अगर आप मानते तो वहाँ नहीं बैठे होते. आप अगर if you are sitting there, तो only because of you have not taken my advice. Here I'm advising you. Here if I'm advising that you should move on the correct track. So I think so. Still you have time. Still you have time to you should move on correct track.
As today, as you are sir, in the spirit of our conversation, I will not say the name Epstein, and I will not say the name Anil Ambani, and I will not say the name. No, I will not say, sir.
You are a leader of opposition.
Okay. So let me speak, sir.
Please, I think so.
I will not do it, sir.
The whole nation is watching you.
I know. I know that. That's why I'm saying it, sir.
On one side, you are saying, I will not mention the name. Again, you are mentioning the name.
I'm saying
I think you are not ready to avoid the name. Please.
Okay, anyway. So I will not go into the names. But I would like to say.
I think so. You have to speak only on budget. बैठिए किसी आप बजट पे बोलिए ना. There is a general discussion on the union budget for 26,
okay, sir, let me speak.
27. Okay. So I think.
Nice. So, Speaker sir. So I will avoid that.
अब तो आप नहीं कहेंगे उस दिन आपने इनको
बोलने तो दीजिए सर. So the point is that I do not believe that any Indian Prime Minister, including Mr. Modi, would sign such a deal unless there was a chokehold on him. So, I do not, sir, this budget that you have.
You and your member have not made any question. I believe that day when Piyush Goyal has made a statement on the floor of the House.
सर मुझे अब कंक्लूड तो करने दीजिए सर.
चलिए.
मैं तो यहाँ 2-3 और घंटे लग जाएंगे सर.
ओके, थैंक यू.
आप चाहते हैं तो मैं लगा देते हैं सर.
नहीं, kindly conclude.
So, we have buckled on tariffs. We have handed out our data, given up control over digital trade rules, no data localization, free data flow to USA, limit on digital tax, no source code disclosure, and 20-year tax holiday. The most valuable asset that India has and will ever have has been handed over. Our farmers have been left to the mercy of mechanized, massive American farms. Our textiles have been wiped out. Bangladesh now is going to wipe out our textile industry. Our energy security has been handed over. We can't buy oil from who we want to buy oil from. Now, I don't believe any Indian Prime Minister